Lexus RC is still in its first generation, but here at the Paris Motor Show, we are getting a first look at its latest refresh. And while those power plants might remain the same, the outside gets a whole new look. Now, most of those changes happen up front with these cool new headlights and a modified spindle grille. Sure, it's still that big, enormous spindle grille, but hey, there's less chrome, so thank God for small favors. Handling for the 2019 RC should get a little bit better thanks to new springs and shocks, plus a recalibrated power steering system. Tech-wise, well, we're getting Apple CarPlay, but Android Auto users? Nope, no go, womp womp. Instead, you're gonna have to make do with Amazon Alexa integration. The 2-liter turbocharged engine got a little bit of a computer hack, so we've got a more responsive throttle and better response out of those turbochargers, but it's still putting out 241 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, and all that power is going to the rear wheels. Or you can spring for all-wheel drive and get a 3.5-liter V6, good for 260 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque. But heck, you might as well just go all in and get the RC 350. That will get you 311 horsepower. Unfortunately, we're not going to be getting the hybrid like you see here behind me, so just go big. The 2019 Lexus RC will be available in dealerships next month. Expect to pay about $41,000 for an RC300 rear-wheel drive, all the way up to $46,000 for that special all-wheel drive.